Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to start by my baby first with some clothing. I'm going to make a onesie again. I did make in the previous video onesie, and I show how you can make a pattern for the onesie. It's actually very easy. You can use this for any size doll. So yeah, just go look there at the previous video where I made a pattern for you. I will just zoom in a bit here so you can see the measurements of the pattern better. Every block here is centimeter by centimeter square. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so I'm going to use for this onesie I'm going to make here, I'm going to use the socks. Actually, I think I'm only going to need one sock here. So with little flowers on it, so I'm going to use that. And then I'm just going to cut out this pattern first. So yeah, let's get started. Because you can also just go have a look here at a video for how I made this onesie for her. So I'm just going to use the same principle with the onesie. I'm just going to put it on the sock. So I turn the sock inside out and I place it here, and I say actually I don't have to cut much here because it's the perfect size. For this I'm just going to pin it and go all around the lines with a pen or a koki. Okay, so I went all around the pattern with the koki, rather the other pin didn't work nice, so I'm just going to sew it around the lines here and leave this just like, and leave that open for the hands. So you can sew it hand sew or with a sewing machine. I'm going to do it with my sewing machine, so I'll be back. Okay, so I sew it just around on the line here. It's just easier to sew it before you cut it out, but it's your choice. You can cut it out first and then sew it. I just find it much easier like this because it's so small. Just don't cut it too close to the sewing, otherwise it will fray. And here in the middle, so much just one straight line. Not gonna bother try to cut a V. And there you go. So then you just fold it in half and just make a small little triangle here where the head's going to be, and in the front you can make a little just a little cut to get it on easier. Okay, so now only the thing is left to do is a little hoodie to make. For that I'm going to need a doll. I just have a piece of left over here and put around the shoulders. It's the right length. Just do overhead to a soldiers, and then how far I must go back. I actually want some more of those flowers. Just cut that little piece off. Okay, let's try again. And that's about the length, so I'm just going to cut it off here. So I'm just going to fold it here and sew it right there down the line on the back. Okay, so I also somewhat just sew here on the point there of the hat, so it doesn't stand up like a point like that. Oops. So, and there's our cute little hat. So I'm just going to turn this inside out. Outside. I think the one arm is longer than the other one. Yep, a bit longer. Okay, I also somewhat burn with a lighter around the edges. Just do this one quickly again. It's just doesn't let fry. Just be quite careful with the open flame. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a hat on all around here, around the neck with my sewing machine. So I'll be back. And there you go, our cute little hoodie. So now just dress her and see if it's going to fit. And there are our little baby with a cute little new onesie. Okay. So yeah, I think that is real cute. So in the next video, I'm going to make her some leggings and a shirt. And yeah, if you like this video, please press that like button. And then see you next time. Bye.